Late night McDonald's, I got the big arch. I've been wanting to try it for a minute now. Sweet talked the lady that was working there to get some more arch sauce. This thing is huge. It's like $8 though, so better be. Got no shredded lettuce because I despise lettuce. Really isn't that bad, actually. There's a lot of onions in here, though. Bottom has the crispy, whatever the hell they are. I'd like it to be a little crispier, a little more of a crunch on that bottom. Let's see. I'd say overall not bad, but not great.